In this video, I'll show you how to create a signature in Webmail step by step so you can give every email a more professional look in just a few minutes. A custom email signature is a great way to add your name, business title, contact details, website, or even a branded message at the bottom of your emails. If you send a lot of messages for work, clients, or personal use, this is a simple upgrade that can make a big difference. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Titan Webmail account. Once you're signed in, look at the top left corner of the screen and click the Switch App icon. This opens the app menu where you can access different features inside Webmail. From the list of options, click Signature. This is the section where you can create and manage your email signatures. Now, click Create a Custom Email Signature. This will open the signature editor where you can build a new signature from scratch. In the name field, enter a name for your signature. For example, you could call it business signature, personal signature, or even support team signature, depending on how you plan to use it. Choosing a clear name makes it easier to manage later if you create more than one signature. Next, move to the Create Your Signature box. This is where you type the actual text that will appear in your emails. You can include your full name, job title, phone number, company name, website, social media links, or any other details you want recipients to see. Keep it clean, useful, and easy to read so it looks professional when attached to your messages. After that, use the formatting tools to customize the design. You can make text bold or italic, add links, and adjust the overall appearance of your signature. This is especially helpful if you want to highlight your name, make your website clickable, or match your brand style. A well-formatted signature can make your emails look much more polished and trustworthy. Take a moment to review everything before saving. Check the spelling, spacing, links, and formatting so your signature appears exactly the way you want it to. Once you're happy with it, click Save. Your new signature will now be stored in Webmail and ready to use in your outgoing emails, and that's it. You've successfully created a signature in Webmail. From now on, your emails can look more professional and organized with almost no extra effort. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.